Hi everybody, welcome back to Dutch Shed Builds. My name is Jerome and today's episode number 18 and it's all about the final assembly of the engine. So this is the oil pump. I need to measure that, and as I'm turning this I can feel it's grinding. So I think as I sandblasted the crankcase, I think there's stuff inside here. So I really didn't want to do this, but I am gonna take this apart to clean it. So the pump assembly, as you can see, it's 150 euros. So that's an expensive piece of kit. And this thing wears down really quickly if it's dirty inside. So I think it's not worn. I think everything should be fine. It looks really good, and the engine doesn't really have run that much. All the other parts look fine as well. But I am gonna take it apart just to give it a good clean. Now, I've read the manual. I think I've got to push out these pins so I can separate it. I'll have a go at that and then have a look inside. So the manual says I have to clean this out with petrol. Let's clean this oil filter out, all the pieces, make it nice and clean, and then put it back together and do some measurements. The manual says pump rotor, outer rotor feeler gauge. If it's become more than 0.25 millimeters. Zero 10 is tight. That's fine. So the outside rotor is fine. This little dot here should line up as I so it's under the maximum play, so I think we're all good. The thing is the end play of the rotors, so that's this. I'm not even close, so that's fine. Just oil, no grinding. What you're doing, cause you can't stop the colors of the proving, and it heads up the scene that's coming down on you. Don't stop doing what you're doing, cause you can't stop the colors of the proving, and it heads up the scene that's coming down on you. Now this thing I replaced. This is the gear shift lever, so this is where my gear pedal will be stuck on, and when I took it apart I had a really hard time getting this thing out. And the reason for that was that it was bent on the other side. So I went on eBay and I got a replacement for this one. It wasn't that expensive, I can't remember how much. And also I had to replace the seal on the other end because it was damaged as I pulled out this bent piece. So a little improvement. So that was a lucky break. I've been lying awake about this all night. And then just such a quick, simple fix. So pretty lucky with that. So new gasket, new bolt. We'll try again. Take it away, save it for another day, won't you? Come on back to me, we'll swim through the sea, so take it away, save it for another day, won't you? So I had a little issue with my stator. The wires were exposing here. I've used this Loctite stuff that I used for the engine to seal it up. I'm gonna have a go with this. It's worth a try. A new stator or a second hand is quickly €100. Well, and if all fails, I can always put in a new one. So let's get the stator in this thing. So another disaster. The engine tipped over and it fell right on this piece. God. I'm just still gutted. So as you can see, we've got a lot of damage here. These are completely bent. There's no thread here left because the thread broke off. Terrible. Now if I were a proper engine builder doing this for a living, I would have to replace the top crankcase. Luckily I'm not. And I have to fix this because this is damaged.